Alright then, here we go on Troy. Big wooden coaster.
Oh yes, oh, so it's quite a long one this.
Does look a long layout, doesn't it?
It does. Hopefully it's not too rough.
Hopefully not, yeah.
It's very padded in the seat, so it might be a bit rough.
Yeah. Silly thing, into the wooden coasters, they do get a bit rough sometimes. But I think we've got plenty of padded anyway.
We do.
On the side there as well. So let's get some views over the park. There we are. Alright then, you ready, Maze?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Ready, jump?
Hey!
Here we go then! Whoa! Oh, big drop! Whoa! Fresh.
I can definitely see why you've got the seat padded in here.
Yeah, that was fresh.
Yeah,
in that rain.
It was very fresh. It definitely was a quick coaster, that.
Now back into the station.